All right, guys, so got some old suitcases here. Old Samsonites.
Oh yeah, it's right here. Samsonite. I was way off.
But got some SSL 150 watt speakers in here. Old 80 watt amp we've had forever. So we're gonna mount these here and here, and then mount the amp inside there. So that should work. We're just gonna get these cut out. This is a hard plastic, but this one will go inside of the car and be my sound system. Essentially, I've got a little Bluetooth adapter. We're gonna wire all that in and essentially just play music off the phone. But we're gonna have to drill a little hole in the bottom and then run a hot wire out and a negative wire out to the battery that's right below it, really. And then one wire that will be the blue wire, which is your signal wire, the remote wire there. And that wire will tell it to turn on. You just have to hook that up to switch. What is cool we noticed is that this one has this handle that pops out here for you to pull it along. This is an old Samsonite, but it actually has wheels on it. We didn't think too many of these bags had wheels on them back in the day, because this is like, what do you think, 60s or 70s bag. I mean, it's pretty old. But we got that one. Then we got a few other bags to go on top of the car when we get the roof rack done. Got a couple other empty surprises here along the way. Cool old cooler there. So it should be pretty cool when we get all this stuff on there. All right, so there it is. Daddy got the speakers cut. Got the speakers mounted in there. Holes cut, I guess. And then this is the 4 bolts to hook up the amp. And then open her up. There's the amp in there. And there is nice clean holes cut. So get the speakers in there mounted. And get this thing wired up. All right, guys, we have it just hooked up to the Mustang right now just to be able to test it beforehand. But got a video pulled up here. It does work. So works pretty good. I actually had to turn the amp down about halfway because you could blow these speakers out. So, but I think it'll sound pretty good. Just get some tunes in there and be able to have something playing in the car. That'll work. All right, guys. So there's the box in there. Get the speakers in it and got it wired up. I'll flip up and show you the wires here. So there's our wiring. We just ran it literally from there down. Got hot, got the ground, and then we ran a signal wire over here, and you can't really see it, but it's hooked up to a switched wire coming from the front. So yeah, you can't really see it. That's cool. But anyways, we found a switched wire. So when the switch comes on, it sends 12 volt power to our Bluetooth adapter, which is the same Bluetooth adapter that we put on the bike, and I'll link it in the description along with the speakers and everything. So that's in there. We use part of the wiring kit from the bike too. And got all that connected down here. So it works pretty good though.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.